Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make your digital life easier, one quick guide at a time. Today, I'll show you how to change the default font in Outlook so your emails look more professional, readable, and totally you. Whether you're using Outlook for work or personal use, this step-by-step guide will make your messages stand out effortlessly. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Sign in using the email account you want to customize. Remember, Outlook settings apply per account, so make sure it's the right one. Once you're logged in, click on Mail to access your inbox. Now, we're ready to personalize your email experience. In the top right corner of your screen, click the gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Scroll down and choose Compose and Reply. This is where all your email formatting magic happens. Now, under the Compose and Reply section, look for default font settings. Here's where you can pick your favorite font style. Outlook will show a quick preview so you can see how your emails will look before saving. Next, tweak the font size and color. Maybe you want something easy on the eyes like 12-point Calibri, or maybe you want a stylish pop with blue or dark gray text. Just make sure your choice is readable and fits your personal or professional vibe. Once you're happy with your new look, scroll down and click Save. You might see a confirmation message, and that's it. Every new email you compose from now on will automatically use your chosen font, size, and color, and there you have it. Your Outlook emails are now customized and ready to impress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.